Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check Find Device status in Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A by using IMEI. First you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket, go for reCAPTCHA protection and click on check. Wait a moment, now you can see whole specification about your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A. Then you should choose check Find Device status. Click again at check and wait 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. Here you can come up with plenty of very useful information. Here is Find Device status. So in our case, Find Device status is off, so device status is unprotected. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.